We've seen a reduction in as much as 75% in operator-driven events for the customer.
The information it gives us helps us train these guys. It helps sustain longer lifetime on the engines and the equipment.
One thing here recently that happened to me is we just went through a rebuild on the front brakes on several 775F rock trucks. The next week, I started receiving alerts from a brake overheat on the front brakes. Turns out they had a new operator that had been put on that piece of equipment that week, and he was unaware that he shouldn't use the foot brake going downhill loaded, that he should be using a retarder instead. That would have saved him anywhere between probably $10,000 to $12,000 if they'd had to redo the brakes.
We're going to see increased component life, which is going to be big dollars over the life of the tractor, because we'll run a lot of our tractors, especially 775s, $30,000 to $40,000.
We were alerted that there could potentially be a problem with the haul road via Next Generation Product Link, and upon investigation we realized that there was just a slight elevation in the haul road, and with a couple of swipes from the motor grader, the customer was able to get at least 10 more loads per day.
We were doing a small school site here in Alabama, and had some pretty aggressive thieves come on site, take the tractor, and we were able to track it down through Product Link to about 50 miles south of town here. Somebody was building a subdivision with stolen equipment.
Previous jobs we've bid, we've always been high on our fuel consumption, and to see what these machines actually use over time has been a surprise to all of us. In the past, we would guess at what a machine actually uses. Now we could go in and look at an average over time and know exactly what, like a 775, how many gallons per hour it burns. So it helps us get our bids closer and be more competitive.
We've seen about a 2% increase in availability of our trucks. That's a 2% reduction in unit cost, which is huge.